St Augustine, Florida. This is just water. We're doing a water test. We finally have got our lift station on. That's our lift station right there. We've changed out a lift station. There's our valve box there. We have aggregate around it because this is in a floodplain, so this can float. So basically that, we just filled it up with water for the first time, and we broke our union loose, and we now have a functioning lift station. We can now tie it into the house. All we're waiting for is the county to turn their valve on over there. They set us a valve, and like I said, this is fantastic. This is the first time. So like I said, ASAP Plumbing, 904-346-1266. We're down in St. Augustine, Florida today, putting in a lift station. And like I said, it started out way up there by the house. We changed out the sewer line there, down to the lift station there, two 2-horsepower pumps, control panel, electrical service, electrical feed, all permitted. And then here is a force main coming into here, into a very complicated valve box. And then, like I said, that was our first water test. So we passed the water test. I'm very happy. Again, thank you for looking at our video. ASAP Plumbing. Have tools, will travel. Free estimates. ASAP Plumbing, St. Augustine, Florida. And like I said, we are very happy that our lift station passed its first inspection.